All right, traders, greeting every one of you and welcome you to this channel. It's always a pleasure to have you back here. It's Beverly Falls Academy. All right, I want to direct us on how you can trade boom and crash successful, and this one is how to catch the spike. Okay, this is a spike detector, catcher. This indicator you're seeing here detect the spike and catch the spike. Okay, you can see I just placed a trade while I'm running this video, so I'm expecting the spike to spike up, right? So I'm expecting the spike to spike up. So I also want to let you know one thing about trading. If you're a boom and crash trader or you trade any of the synthetic pairs, I also want to inform you or let you know that it don't just totally depend on the indicators alone, and you also you just want to place a trade without going through the market structure. The reason why I place this trade, right? So I've also gone through the market structure. So I expect this spike to come up in just before 7 candlesticks. So I think the spike should come up. I expect the spike to come up before 7 candlestick. I just scanned 2 already. So if you watch the trend here, so I'm expecting it to get to this. I expect it to get to this high here. All right. So before then it might just spike up though. Before then it might spike up. So right now the spike will happen. Right. The spike is going to happen. So if you're new here on this channel and I spare very fast Academy, please, I want to inform you how we do it here, please. If you're new, subscribe to the channel and trust me, you're going to see a lot of beautiful strategy here on this channel where you can pick any of the strategy and trade on and make profit and make money, because it's my belief that we are trading to make money. This is a work we are working. This is a work, okay? It's not something you want to use for fun or something. It's something you need to put in your time because it is something that gives you money. You're also investing your money on it too, so you need to take your time and follow the market. So the point I'm making, I drop beautiful strategy here on this channel where you can actually trade, pick any of the strategy and trade up and make money. All right. So if you are new here, subscribe to this channel and like the videos you see here on this channel. And please, if the video interested you, you can also do some good by dropping some comments too. I also want to say to you to also turn your notification on so you can easily be notified each time I drop video here, so you can be notified. All right, so just leave your notification on. All right, so please subscribe to this channel and like videos, okay, and like the videos. Okay, here right now, let me discuss a little. Let me go down a little bit, okay? Why I'm waiting for the spike to come. So you also need, as a trader, you also need to look at the market structures very well. Check out the candlestick patterns, and this is synthetic we're talking about. So if you're running a synthetic, if you're a synthetic trader, and you want to trade any of the pairs, call it boom and crash or call it volatilities and the jump pairs and the step index and all the rest of that. So if you're trading, because it all have to do with the price actions. So you need to look at the price action, what the price actions are, what the market structures is saying before you can now place a trade. So let me count how many candlesticks I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the next 2 candlesticks, if it doesn't spike, I'm going to close out. All right, I'm going to close out this video. So the point I'm making, so you need to know what the market structure looks like, so you can step upon that and place a trade. So what that gives you again is opportunity to also have a better entry. Okay, once you've identified those areas you want to place your trade, you would like to place a trade and get something from the market. So what you need to do is to sit back and see how you can just sit back and wait for the market to maybe buy or sell to that area, and then you can place it where you know you'll be having a very good, a smart entry, okay, a very good entry. So you can have your ESO. So even if the market goes the way you don't, the way you were not expecting it, it's not going to take what you cannot recover from your account, or it's not going to take what would discourage you totally. So you do it in a way that you have good entry, because good entry matters a lot. It matters a lot, okay? You just need to have good entries and then place a trade. Trust me, something good will happen. Something good will definitely happen. Okay, so please, I don't know what is keeping the spike, this is just what I was saying. But I'm expecting the spike. I'm expecting it to spike up. So, because this is indicator that I've been using and that never fell. See, all right. So, while I still holding on to the spike, I also want to inform you that there are some programs that I manage here, which is I manage people account here, and where I will share the profit on weekly basis. All right. On weekly basis, I also I trade for people to share the profit. I also mentor people here too. So if you are interested about learning this, it's more of price action. This is not something you need to get information. If you want to read some news time to get information, this is totally technical, price actions. So if you want the mentorship, you can ring me up. I also run a program where I call the VIP program, where people subscribe to the channel, and I will add them to the VIP group, and then they trade on every single signal that I drop there on that channel, on that group. They trade on it. So the spike just came, so I just wasn't as long as expected, but I know the spike would definitely come. This is indicator that doesn't miss out. So let me see how many candlesticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like I said, before 7 candlesticks, it spikes. Okay, even though the spike wasn't that long, so I'm expecting it to spike. But the point I'm making, so after 7 candlesticks, if it doesn't spike, you see how you can close out, so you don't lose what you cannot recover. Okay, that's the point I'm making. All right, so I'm talking about the VIP group, where I will add you to the group, subscribe to the group, and I'll add you, and you trade on my signals and make money too. All right, and the account management too, the account management program, all of that is available here. So how do you get to me? While you're seeing this video, go to the description box, check the description box of this video. You are going to see every of my contact details there that you need to reach out to me, which is my WhatsApp number and my Telegram link, so you can chat me up. So let's discuss whatever you want us to discuss. And trust me, I'm only here so you can just better our life. I'm only here so we can better our life and make money. All right. So that's what I am. That's what I am here for. I'm here to guide you. And whatever you have, you can just come, we can discuss, and then if you work out, fine. Because I'm not that already. I'm trading for myself, so I'm actually making money. So I just want to see how you can help people grow financially through synthetic trading, all right, through forex. So you can just ring me up, chat me up, let's discover whatever you have, and then if you work out too, you can just go ahead and start up business together and make money together. And one thing I can assure you, that you are not going to regret coming in contact with Pay Value Forex Academy, because we are here to better people's life. Okay, so that's how this one works. So before I'll forget, I'm going to share up the setting we are using here. But trust me, this is a spike detector strategy. All right, so I'm expecting the spike to come up more anyways. I'm expecting it to come more. Even after this video, I don't think I'm going to be closing out. I will hold on to this, and spike will come. All right. But one thing I want to tell you: after 7 candlesticks, the spike doesn't come, you can close out. Please, you can close out, so you don't lose what you cannot recover. Please. All right, just wait for the place, wait for the area to, just wait for the trade to get to those areas. You want to, if you're dealing with boom, if you're dealing with, okay, don't spike again, right, at least now, I'm not going out, I'm going out with something, okay, don't spike again, I told you it's going to spike, right, so you can see the spike. So now you're dealing with crash, you want to buy at this region, you want to sell at this region, this 90 region, right, you want to sell, this more spike is coming, you want to sell at this region, all right. So if you are dealing with, this is crash, right? You want to sell at this region. And if you're dealing with boom, right, you want to buy within this region. So I don't have that time to start back. Okay, just look at what has happened here already. So what happened when it got to this place, it spike, and you can see you buy from this region. You can see it just keeps spike. And once it spikes above this line, this blue line across the main chart, expect more spike. Just like what has happened here. So if you want to backtest, if you want me to backtest, I can backtest so you can see how effective this works. It's a spike indeed, Dictator, it detects the spike, so you can actually make a something. Let me go back to my trade, quickly go back to my trade and then see what is going on there. More spike is coming now. I know, more spike is coming. So alright, let me show you the setting we are using here so I don't go up. So the first setting we are using across the main chart is the moving average, and these are the parameters we are using here. Alright, so you can take just good note of this, screenshot it, take note of this, and then all this information, apply this just the way you're seeing it here. Alright, the next is a relative strength index. Take note of this, alright? So you see? Alright, so this is the level we are talking about. So I've shown you what to do with the level already. So that's it. The next is the Bollinger Bands. So this the information we are using as well. So you can use this information. The last but not the least, the moving average, same informations. Okay, take note of this. So I should be leaving you right now, and I want you to always trade with price action, the price movement, see how it moved, and then you can place your trade with the support of your indicator. Once you have gotten to the area, you place your trade and make something from it. So right now I'm saying goodbye, and I wish you the very best this new week. Thank you guys, and trade well. Join us and make money. Bye.